It's 16:30 in London, 11:30 in New York. Investor sentiment gets a boost after Italy's short-term debt costs halve at auction. Italian yields dipping below 7% as a new austerity package and cheap ECB liquidity wins Rome some respite in thin year-end markets. Well, a big test of appetite for longer-term peripheral debt tomorrow, though, with an €8.5 billion Italian bond auction. Prime Minister Mario Monti will hold a year-end news conference following the tender. Well, Ladwa, senior sales trader at ETX Capital, says that even a disappointing auction may have limited impact on European markets.
I certainly think if there is a poor response to the auctions, then we could see yields creeping way above that 7% level and equities starting to come back down again. But there does seem to be a so-called new normal within the markets whereby investors are becoming more and more comfortable with higher bond yields. So therefore, if the demand for Italian bonds is relatively low, we could find that equities do come off, but they may not come off in a big way.
In world news, Kim Jong-il's anointed successor and son, Kim Jong-un, will attend a mass meeting to pay tribute to the deceased leader tomorrow. Tens of thousands of soldiers marched through the capital, Pyongyang, earlier today, carrying a giant portrait of Mr. Kim. And the trial of ousted Egyptian President Hosni Mubarak continues tomorrow. Mubarak, his two sons, the former interior minister and senior police officers face a range of charges, including involvement in the deaths of hundreds of protesters and corruption during his 3 decades in office. Mubarak was wheeled in and out of court on a hospital trolley today after a 2-month delay while lawyers demanded a new judge. Well, that's where we leave it for now. I'm Nigel Stevenson. This is Reuters.